This is a video on how to change your mudguard headlight for the front on a VSETT 9 Plus. So the tools you'll probably need are a pick, 2.5mm Allen key, a 3mm Allen key, sewing needle, a pair of pliers, a pair of cutters, needle nose pliers, a replacement light, scissors, some electric tape, and a heat gun. So I'm going to start off by using 2.5mm Allen and removing these two screws off the side of the left swing arm. Next thing you want to do is take your 3mm and remove these 4 screws on the mudguard, which will allow you to access the inside here. So once you open this up, you're going to want to take your heat gun and heat this whole area up to remove the glue that's already here. And then you take a pair of pliers and use that to spin this nut that's on the light. So that's the light right there, and that'll attach there. It'll be easier to do by finger after you loosen it up. Alright, so once you get this locking nut off, you can slide it all the way back here and feed your light wire through here. Before you do that though, you'll want to unscrew these 6 screws that are holding the neck part right here, neck plate. Once you have the neck plate off, it'll expose your light wire, which will run right through here. You're going to probably want to remove the silicone right here, and then shortly after that, you're going to take your 3mm and unscrew all deck screws, and then you're going to lift this up gently, not too hard. The reason you want to do that is because there's 2 charge port wires that are attached directly to the deck. So if you yank too hard, you're going to sever the wires. So do that. There's going to be some foam right here. There's 2 battery connectors. You want to unplug this. And there's 1 and there's 2 there. Now if you want to be safe about this, you should probably do this. I'm going to cut some electric tape. Cover up the ends of the battery connectors. As such. After that, you can lift the light module up. Make sure everything's disconnected from the battery. To give yourself some more space, you can lift with your finger down here and lift the battery up and out. Now that will give you a lot more room to work with, so you can move this front controller out of the way. Now, light wire will run through inside of here. It's going to be this wire. It'll be red and black, and it'll be small. You want to disconnect this? Pushing down on this tab and pulling at the same time. Now, next part is a bit tricky. Take your pin. You want to push down and down and back. That'll allow you to remove one of the wires. And you'll repeat the process. Do it again for the same one. Now, your 2-pin male connector is out. You want to keep that somewhere safe. Once you get to this stage, you're going to want to remove the light by pulling on this side, and you should see this cable slowly retracting this way, and then guide it through this hole right here and out the front as so. And when you're going to replace your new light, you want to feed it through back the way this came out. But make sure you have your nut so that you can re-screw it onto here. You're going to want to re-glue and apply hot glue to this area so that the cable stays flush with the mudguard and doesn't rattle and touch the wheel while the scooter is operating. So once you feed it back through here, down through here, and back through this area right here, you're going to want to grab your male connector. Oh. I got this. So it's going to look like this. You want to test for connectivity first by attaching just the connector, male connector, onto the female connector. Red should line up with red and black should line up with black. Now to put the pins in, you just slide it in, let the tabs facing up. And to help assist you on this process, you can grab a pair of needle nose pliers and just pull it through here like so. And just repeat it with the other side and there. And always do a tug test afterwards just to make sure it's stuck. And then reconnect that and it should be it.